Well, we have big winds coming across West Michigan, and those are leading to some pretty significant power outages. Still thousands of folks without power right now. Steady gusts here at 44 miles per hour in Grand Rapids, and you can see upper 30s elsewhere. The steady winds stay in the mid-20s overnight tonight, and I think gusts are going to continue to be in that 40-plus mile per hour range from time to time. By the time we hit tomorrow afternoon, those winds are finally going to start coming down. So here's the situation. We've got freezing rain that's already taking place for all of the lakeshore counties west of US 131 and north of South Haven. A lot of moisture right here. This is going to continue to push in overnight tonight, and I think surface temperatures are going to stay near or just below freezing, which means we're just getting started. I think we will see more ice accumulation overnight tonight, and it's going to be slick tomorrow morning. Current situation is this, though. Trace amounts of freezing drizzle continue here along the lakeshore. This is not heavy stuff, but keep in mind, it doesn't take much ice accumulation to get things to be kind of dicey out there. There's more moisture right now in Berrien and Van Buren County. That's pushing northward into this colder air and will likely result in more freezing drizzle. So the big takeaway from our futurecast overnight tonight is just that more moisture is moving in. By the time we hit daybreak tomorrow morning, this is quite a bit of freezing drizzle. This is going to lead to not only slick roads, but I think we'll have tree limbs in that wind picking up weight from the ice and falling into power lines. We'll probably see an uptick, a pretty significant uptick in power outages by daybreak tomorrow morning. By the time we hit mid-morning, that warmer air is finally making its way northward, and I think by afternoon we're going to start to see everything change over to light rain or drizzle, which means the ice accumulation will be done by then. But we'll probably see some problems develop here overnight tonight because of that ice that's going to continue to fall. And then once we get into Monday, we have snow on the way. Yeah. Some sleet will be in the mix too. So this is a combination of ice accumulation, but also sleet pellets like what we saw earlier today. A lot of us will pick up more than 1/4 of an inch. Situation overnight, mostly freezing rain for I-94, and then a combination of sleet and freezing rain for the rest of West Michigan overnight. Tomorrow, mostly freezing rain in that ribbon of purple, including Grand Rapids, Lansing, and Saginaw. North of that line, we see freezing rain and sleet, and thankfully, mostly rain for I-94 at this point. Here's the 8-day forecast now. Light snow on Monday, chilly, 36, 42, partly cloudy coming up here on Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, more wintry weather, rain mixing with snow, and then upper 50s will be really nice next weekend.
Yes, that's a good tease. We're looking forward to that. But a lot of folks, you wake up and you'll see water coming from the sky. Oh, this is normal rain. Yeah. The freezing happens when it hits the ground.
Right, right. And I think the odds are pretty good. I mean, we're forecasting the future here, right? But I think the odds are pretty good that things are going to be ice coated tomorrow morning. And so if you have plans to, church or brunch or something like this, just flip on daybreak and see what the situation is, because odds are pretty good that I think we're going to have a lot of slick travel conditions tomorrow morning.
All right, and as far as those events goes, a lot of them are already canceling things. Be sure to stay tuned on the bottom of your screen, and of course, we've got the full list at woodtv.com as those closings come in.